In a study to find out the association between smoking and bladder cancer, 100 adult males with bladder cancer are recruited to the study group. The control group consists of 100 similar individuals without bladder cancer. Smoking history from all participants is obtained and the data are analyzed. The calculated odds ratio is 2.7%. Which of the following statement best describes the study? This is a pretty simple question. I need all of you to know what a odds ratio means in real sense. So odd ratio, it is used in a case control. It represents the odds of the exposure among cases versus the odds of exposure among controls. It is a definition of first aid, guys. You cannot get this thing wrong. It represents the odds of smoking among cancer patients versus odds of smoking among non-cancer patients. Here it is. Odds of smoking in bladder cancer patients are 2.7 times higher than those without bladder cancer. This is what I am trying to imply here, or what this question states, that this is the odds ratio. Odds ratio is the ratio of odds of exposure among the cases and the controls. In this study, the cases are those with bladder cancer, controls are those without bladder cancer. Exposure is smoking. Odds ratio of 2.7 means that the ratio of odds of smoking in the bladder cancer group to that of the group without bladder cancer is equal to 2.7. In a 2x2 table, the odds ratio is calculated as the cross product, AD by BC. We are not supposed to calculate because it is given to us, but odds ratio is calculated in a case control study which determines the odds of an individual with the disease having exposure to a risk factor that of an individual without the disease.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.